My name is Jason. I'm from ID 25 and I'm currently flying with Scoot Airlines. To become a cabin crew, I was enjoying traveling around the world and happy to meet new people. Yeah, the colleagues are fun, the environments are fun. Okay, so in the Excel teach me a lot of interview skills, communication skills, English speaking, public speaking, and confident and terminology knowledge. Okay. Yes, of course, if I have a friend are interested in aviation or cabin crew, of course I will introduce them to Excel because they teach me a lot of knowledge, confident, English, etc. etc. There's a lot. Okay, just be a good student and work hard, study hard, and be punctual, be friendly, and yeah, I think that's all.